In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by tourists to enjoy this. Its review rating is 9.8. Which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Card, present photo ID or check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For booking or more details, check the description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can get us like a very helpful. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.